In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly integrate Google Sheets into your ClickUp workspace. This is an invaluable skill that can really enhance your productivity by combining the organizational power of ClickUp with the versatile data management capabilities of Google Sheets. Whether you're managing projects, tracking your team's progress, or analyzing data, having everything in one place can significantly streamline your workflow. So let's dive right into the process. First things first, go ahead and open up ClickUp. I'm sure you're familiar with it, especially if you're looking to leverage its features alongside Google Sheets. Once you're logged in, take a moment to direct your attention to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu, which is essentially the heart of ClickUp. Now look for the section titled Spaces. Click on that to access all the spaces you've created or that you've been added to. This area is where all your projects and tasks are organized, and it's crucial for what we're going to do next. Once you're inside the Spaces area, take a little time to locate the option that says Search Views. This section is particularly powerful because it helps you find different ways to view and interact with your tasks and projects. For what we need today, we're interested in embedding a Google Sheets document, so go ahead and navigate down to the Embeds option. Click on it, and you'll see that it opens up a few additional options. Here's where it gets really exciting. Look for the option that specifically says Google Sheets and select it. By doing this, you're creating a direct link between your ClickUp space and your Google Sheets. This functionality allows you to view and edit your sheets directly within ClickUp without ever needing to leave the platform. This is a complete game changer for anyone who frequently deals with large amounts of data or has to switch back and forth between task management and spreadsheet applications. And there you have it. With just these few simple clicks, you've successfully embedded Google Sheets into your ClickUp workspace. This integration will make project management and data tracking much smoother, as you can visualize and manipulate spreadsheet data right alongside your task lists, priorities, and deadlines, all in one convenient location. Before we wrap up, I'd like to share a quick tip to ensure you have a seamless experience. Make sure your Google Sheets permissions are properly set. This is really important because you want to ensure that anyone who needs to access those sheets within ClickUp can do so without any hitches. By configuring the right sharing settings beforehand, you'll avoid any hassles when it's time for multiple team members to collaborate on that embedded sheet. And that's all it takes. Just a few straightforward steps, and you're all set to take advantage of this incredibly useful feature that enhances your workflow and organization. We sincerely hope you found this guide helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on how to make the most of your tools and streamline your projects. If you found this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video to keep up with our future content. Thank you so much for watching, and happy organizing!